In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to make a geography quiz using Jotform. This process is quite simple, and within just a few minutes you'll have a dynamic quiz ready to test geographical knowledge. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, we'll start by heading over to Jotform's website. When you arrive at jotform.com, you will be greeted with a sign-in page. You have a few options here. You can sign in with your Google account, use your Microsoft credentials, or enter your email address and password. Choose the method that's most convenient for you. Once you're logged in, we're ready to get started. Moving forward, you'll notice a drop-down menu located in the upper left corner right beside the Jotform logo. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a menu with various options. From here, you'll want to click on My Agents. This will take you to a section dedicated to managing your agents, which are essentially your various Jotform projects and automations. In the My Agents section, look towards the upper left corner where you'll find the option to create a new agent. Click on this to start crafting your new geography quiz. During this creation process, you're given a choice to use a blank slate or select a pre-existing template. To save time and make this process more efficient, select Use a Template. Once you've chosen to use a template, you'll see a search bar appear. Type geography quiz into the search bar and press enter. This will yield a selection of templates explicitly designed for geography quizzes. It's an excellent way of jumpstarting your project with some pre-built content and structure. Once you've found a template that you like, click on Use Template. After selecting your template, an option to train will appear. Clicking on this brings you to an area where you can tailor the information and functionalities of your quiz. Here, under the knowledge base section, you can add any additional details or specific information you'd like the AI to incorporate into your quiz. Customizing this section allows you to tailor the quiz content to fit your particular needs or the needs of your audience. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've utilized Jotform's powerful features to create a tailored AI-driven geography quiz. Whether you plan to challenge your colleagues, teach students, or just have fun with friends, this setup serves as an effective and engaging tool for exploring geography. Thanks for joining me today, and happy quizzing.